Hi there, Sandra here. I saw this particular design on Pixabay and I couldn't resist it for Easter. It's just so sweet. And I was wondering what I could do with it other than making cards or things like that. And I decided on an Easter egg holder. You know, for the little individual eggs that you get at this time of year. You'll notice that I have a hole which is put in the top here. These are the other elements of it. I have two pieces and this is so easy. You just fold it where the fold lines are. I've scored mine with the blade, I didn't bother doing anything else. Line it up with the other fold line. Just fold that over like so. And then this one. You do exactly the same thing. It's easier to do this first than it is to put it onto your decor panel and then try and line it up. So do this bit first. And you have what amounts to a matchbox interior almost, with a hole in it. As it happens, I don't have any eggs yet, so I can't show it to you with the egg in it, but you'll get the idea. All you have to do then is to stick the design on the front and the back and choose either a ribbon that you like or some decorative string to use to tie a bow on the top. Make sure that is down on the base and centered, but you can even do it flat if you want to, like this. Quite simple. Put your glue on. Don't go quite to the edge because the design isn't exactly the same width, because this obviously slopes inwards. And line it up with the base. There we go. And you can actually, oops, I've put it on the wrong piece. Oh, what an idiot. Okay, I woke up far too early this morning. It shows. I'll leave this bit in because everyone likes it when I mess up. So put it onto there, and in my case, let this glue dry before you do anything else to it. And then you can put your string or whatever it is you're using through the holes, tie it in a pretty bow, and I think that is really rather cute, especially when you don't mess it up like I did. So that's it, a very quick one this week, just in time for Easter. Won't take you very long to knock up quite a few of these if you want them for a class or your children or your grandchildren or whatever. And it's nice and easy to do. Thanks for watching, subscribe if you haven't, and give me a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. I don't mind taking the knocks, I can cope with it. Take care now.